Those expecting a showdown throughout Judge Kavanaugh's nomination were not disappointed Tuesday, with a steady stream of protesters interrupting often contentious opening statements from both sides of the aisle.
Mr. Chairman, I think we ought to have this loudmouth removed.
The long-awaited hearing kicked off with about 90 minutes of Democrats complaining about the availability of documents from Kavanaugh's time working for the administration of George W. Bush.
What are we trying to hide? Why are we rushing?
Democrats called for a delay until thousands of those pages are available for them to fully review.
The fact that we cannot take a few days or weeks to have a complete review of Judge Kavanaugh's record is unfair to the American people.
Republican Senator Ben Sasse told CBN News there is a record amount of information already available on Judge Kavanaugh.
Judge Kavanaugh, more papers submitted to our Judiciary Committee than the last 5 judicial nominees to the Supreme Court combined.
Dozens were arrested, and during one outburst, Senator John Cornyn called for members to take a deep breath and treat the process with respect.
I am disappointed that despite his exemplary qualifications and outstanding record, so many of our colleagues across the aisle have announced their opposition even before he was nominated.
Case in point, Democrat Kamala Harris, who came down hard on Kavanaugh, saying she's deeply concerned that he's too guided by partisanship.
This nominee has devoted his entire career to a conservative Republican agenda.
Judge Kavanaugh finally got his chance late in the afternoon, making his case as a neutral, impartial judge.
I do not decide cases based on personal or policy preferences. I am not a pro-plaintiff or pro-defendant judge. I'm not a pro-prosecution or pro-defense judge. I am a pro-law judge.
And in a positive development for the razor-thin majority, Arizona Governor Doug Ducey announced former Senator Jon Kyl will fill the late Senator John McCain's seat. They plan to swear him in Wednesday. Judge Kavanaugh will be in the hot seat the rest of the week, fielding questions from both sides on topics like abortion, executive privilege, and gun control. Republicans remain hopeful they'll have him confirmed before the Supreme Court convenes October 1st. Reporting from Capitol Hill, Abigail Robertson, CBN News.